I'm telling you, sub for sub is actually making your channel sub. I will tell you three good reasons, and then don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to share with you some tips that you can actually use to grow your channel organically. What's up for sub? That's when you subscribe to someone's channel because you want them to also subscribe to your channel. Because why? A friend in need is a friend indeed. That is a terrible mistake 90% of the time. Reason number one: when you do sub for sub, there is every likelihood that the person that you are telling to even subscribe to your channel is not interested in your content. Fine, you might have the subscriber count getting more and more increased, but at the end of the day, they are not watching. You're having hundreds of subscribers, but then you're having maybe 10 views, 15 views, no views. But we want people that are subscribing because they want to come back to watch more of your content. Why? Because they just love your content. That's what we want. So sub for sub is not going to get you views. That is number one. Now the next thing is, when you do sub for sub, right, there's one thing about the YouTube algorithm. When the YouTube algorithm has or notices channels that have a huge subscriber count and then they also have huge views, they tend to recommend the channel, push that channel out to more people. Or they see a channel that has fine, not as many subscribers, but then they are getting more views, YouTube will still recommend those videos. But you see channels that have many subscribers but then they are not having views, YouTube is not going to recommend that video as they ought to. That is just the simple truth. I know it's not easy, especially when you have to be thinking, creating, editing, posting, making research, and then you come and post and then you're not getting as much views as you desire, or you're not even getting subscribers, you're not seeing the physical changes. I know sometimes it feels frustrating, but at the end of the day, it's hurting your channel because the more subscribers you have and the less views, having an increase in subscribers but no views, YouTube is not going to recommend that video to others to watch, to more people to watch, because they feel like, why, you have many people here but it's just like a dead audience, they're not watching. You understand? So it's as though your content is of no value, is of no use to their platform, because YouTube actually wants people to remain on its platform because they want to make more money off ads. Do you understand? So please, sub for sub is a no most of the time. Now this other reason affected me. Now the thing is, when I first started my YouTube channel, I was telling people, of course my family, my friends, church members, subscribe. In fact, I'll go to the extent of taking their phones and I'll subscribe on their own phones. Little did I know that I was coming back to meet some things, because I now noticed that as my subscribers were increasing, they were decreasing. Why? Some people were unsubscribing. That is it, because they subscribe to your channel but they're not getting what they want. It's not what they love, so they just unsubscribe. And trust me, that thing is like, it's just like they pierce your heart. Oh my goodness, it breaks one's heart. You don't want to start getting excited and all of a sudden you now see your subscriber count reducing. I've seen some channels that have thousands of subscribers and then they are not even getting up to 1,000 views. Why? Because they did sub for sub, or they bought subscribers. So don't buy subscribers, don't do sub for sub, because eventually you're going to be seeing minus 20 subscribers, minus 12, minus 2 subscribers, and it can even get you frustrated and even depressed. Yes, people actually get depressed just because of YouTube, because their YouTube channel is not working as they want to. Avoid doing sub for sub, avoid buying subscribers. So it's just better you just grow organically, because if you do not grow organically, nothing behind that growth is going to bring you favor. You want a growth that will know that as I'm growing, I'm seeing the manifestation of the growth. Okay, now that I've shared that the reason you shouldn't do sub for sub, so please, my dear sister, my dear brother, my dear daddy, mommy, don't do sub for sub, okay? And don't buy subscribers, okay? Now one thing that you can actually do to help grow your channel organically is to post across different social media platforms, like promote yourself across different social media platforms. What do I mean? Once you upload a video, right, you take the link, copy the link, post on your TikTok, post on your Facebook account, take short clips from your videos, post on TikTok, Facebook as Reels, Instagram Reels, and then put your link there, directing people to the long form video. And of course, whatever segmented clips you're putting has to be something that is captivating, so that people will want to go back and watch your long form videos. That way, the more people watch your videos, right, and they enjoy your content, the more inclined they are to subscribe, especially when they know that this is majorly what you do on your channel. That's also one of the reasons it's good that you niche down. Okay, if you do not know your niche yet, or you do not know how to get a niche yet, you can watch this video that is up here right? I talked about how you can get your niche, especially when people know that they can always come back to watch more of that kind of content. Now people know they can come back to my channel to watch tips on how they can grow their YouTube channels, and then video editing skills that they can use for their YouTube videos. There was one time I was going through my YouTube studio. I actually studied it and saw that I had some subscribers from other social media platforms. That way you are growing your channel organically, because most of the people that would by themselves subscribe are subscribing because they want to see more of that content. Let me even ask you, why do you subscribe to a person's channel? It's because you want to see more of that person's content. I subscribe to people's channels when I see that, okay, this video, I actually love this video, I want to get more, right? More tips like this. I subscribe so that each time, and in fact sometimes I put on the notification bell so that each time they upload I get it, and then I go ahead and watch, and it helps me. Now another thing that you can actually use to grow your subscribers or to grow your channel organically is using some SEO tools, right, that would help you with your titling, your description, your tags. One SEO tool that I personally use is vidIQ. It just helps you to optimize your videos in terms of your titles, description, tags, gives you tags. Do you understand? It can even help you with scripts, generate scripts for your videos. So it can also help you. So you can go ahead and download vidIQ. I might put the link to the vidIQ in my description box. If it's there, you can just go there, click on the link, and then you're going to download the app and then start using. If not, you can go to either your Play Store or your App Store to download the app, and then you start using it for your own videos. Now another thing that's actually going to help you is to go on YouTube Shorts, upload clips on YouTube Shorts. You can upload as many as you want, because you're also going to get subscribers, get traction from that place onto your own long form videos. And as you're uploading your YouTube Shorts, always put a related video there. If you are taking a segmented clip from this particular long form video, then as you're uploading your short, in that part where you have to edit some features, where you see allow related video, put your long form video there. Do you understand? So that anybody that watches it will just click on that and then watch your long form video, and most of them would also subscribe if they like what you are giving them, and they see that they can always come back to watch more, they will subscribe. Do you understand? So those are some tips that you can use to actually grow your channel organically. I just hope this helps. Another thing is YouTube might even notice and then take down your channel, because they'll feel like you are using cunning means to get subscribers. It has happened in some cases. YouTube will just take down those people's channels, and they will now be frustrated and then have to start again, or start going through the stress of making appeals and all of that. Don't go through that stress. Trust me, it's frustrating. Yeah, that's it for this video. And if you did enjoy what I shared with you in today's video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up so it can get across to more people. Share this video to whoever you feel needs this information, and subscribe, because you would always get good content. If you check through my channel, you will see that I always post tips on how you can grow your channel. Whatever it is that I learn, I love to teach people, so you would always learn, because I will always come back after making my research and teach you, so that we can all grow together. And also editing skills that you can use for your YouTube videos. And trust me, I'm a very great teacher. If you want to know how you can actually promote your channel, you can watch this video that's over here. And also, if you want to hear my story on how I gained over 200 subscribers in less than two weeks as a small YouTuber, you can watch this video that is right here. Also, I shared very good tips that can help you. Yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you on any of my other videos. Bye.